In a landmark case that gripped the nation, two paramedics have been found guilty of criminally negligent homicide in the death of Elijah McClain. The saga began in 2019, when McClain, a 23-year-old black man, was forcibly restrained by police officers. Amidst the chaos, paramedics Jeremy Cooper and Peter Sichuniek administered ketamine, a powerful sedative. The situation quickly spiraled out of control, culminating in McClain's cardiac arrest and his tragic death 3 days later. The use of ketamine and the amount administered came under intense scrutiny during the trial, marking the start of a legal battle that would last years. The aftermath of McClain's death sparked a firestorm of controversy, culminating in a court ruling that sent shockwaves across the nation. The court proceedings were a whirlwind, with the defense arguing that the paramedics Jeremy Cooper and Peter Sichuniek were simply following their training when they administered ketamine to McClain. They contended McClain was showing signs of excited delirium, a state of extreme mental and physiological excitement. However, the prosecution countered this, questioning why the paramedics did not conduct basic medical checks on McClain before administering the drug. The implications were clear. Had these checks been conducted, perhaps McClain's tragic end could have been prevented. The jury's verdict was a landmark moment. Both paramedics were found guilty of criminally negligent homicide. Furthermore, Sichuniek was also found guilty of second-degree assault, unlawful administration of drugs. This ruling was a rarity, as it's seldom we see medical first responders facing criminal charges. But the story didn't end there. 3 police officers were also indicted in relation to McClain's death. After a series of trials, 2 were ultimately acquitted, while the 3rd was found guilty. This case has not only brought justice to Elijah McClain, but has also sparked a national conversation about the use of ketamine and the responsibilities of first responders. The Elijah McClain case has left an indelible mark on our nation's conscience. This tragic event, involving the forcible restraint of McClain by police officers and his subsequent injection with ketamine by paramedics, has triggered a re-evaluation of medical and law enforcement protocols. The City of Aurora's agreement to pay $15 million to McClain's parents further underscores the magnitude of this case. As we continue to grapple with the implications of this case, one thing remains clear: the life and death of Elijah McClain will forever be a pivotal point in our pursuit of justice.